Baking soda rodent bait sounds simple, but it does not reliably work and should not replace proven control methods. Baking soda is chemically sodium bicarbonate, which will not reliably kill rodents when ingested because mammals neutralize small amounts and effective lethal doses are impractically large. Homemade baits that mix baking soda with attractive food assume the animal will consume enough to cause fatal gas buildup in the gut, which is not supported by veterinary or pest control research. Instead, focus on attractant selection and proper trap placement by learning rodent behavior. Mice travel along baseboards and prefer concealed runways, while rats use larger, steadier paths near food and water. Use gloves when handling traps or bait to avoid transferring human scent, and place traps perpendicular to walls with the trigger plate facing the wall so rodents encounter them naturally. Check traps daily to remove captured animals and reset or replace as needed, and dispose of carcasses using double bagging and a sealed trash container to reduce disease risk. Combine trapping with sanitation and exclusion by sealing gaps larger than 1/4 inch with hardware cloth or steel wool, and store food in sealed containers to remove food sources that encourage reinfestation. People often assume all baking soda mixtures are harmless and effective, which delays proper action. Instead, stop using unproven recipes and switch to mechanical traps or labeled bait stations. Another common mistake is placing homemade baits in open areas where non-target animals and children can access them. Use tamper-resistant stations or keep traps in inaccessible locations. Finally, relying solely on sanitation without active capture is a slow path to eradication. Pair exclusion and cleanliness with traps or monitored baiting until activity ceases. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and share practical project experience related to pest control and other homework. Our community discussion boards let us swap tips, post photos, and ask follow-up questions while contractors can find work and show what they can do.